1-0 Pirates.
Number 79 will be the batter. 0 for 1
Two
here in
out.
the early going.
Man on second base here. And out come the Parrot. Out come the Parrot. Out come the Parrot. We got to try to make something happen there. Single might score a run.
Here's the first pitch now from Anderson.
Oh,
Not fooled there as this ball's hammered out to
you know
deep
what?
right field.
Take that.
And that one is
Downtown.
planted into the right
Time to
field
go get me some Permanis. Parrot up there with that home run there. 2-run shot there. 2 RBI. Big home run there. Number 26 on the season there for Joe Yinzer. Take that. That was no doubt there. No doubt. Joe Yinzer. Take that. Downtown there. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. Look at them storing these guys there.